Hello everyone, it's time to review the answer to our metabolic health hacks quiz question. We ask, which of the following is a false belief about fat and weight loss? The correct answer is eating fat makes you fat. So that means eating fat may not necessarily make you fat. Eating fat doesn't automatically lead to weight gain. In fact, healthy fats are a vital part of a balanced diet and can help keep you full and satisfied. The key is to choose the right types of fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Stay tuned for more myth busting insights and health tips.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.